Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a little haul video from Scrapbook.com. So I got this order just yesterday, so I'm going to dive right in and show you what goodies I got. So I'm going to set this box aside and show you what I got. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so of course I got a couple freebies. I'll start with those. If you're familiar with Scrapbook.com, they often have really good freebies for when you place orders. So I got this Shapes Dies. It's from Scrapbook.com. It's a cute little ice cream cone. So Sweet Scoops 5-piece. So you got the cone and you get the waffle element and ice cream. So you can like double top it in a little cherry. Super cute. So this was free. And then this is really fun. Wow, those are a nice size. Look at all these details. Lots of little fiddly bits. But this is 29 dies. Can't believe this is free. It's so crazy. Thinlits. Here's the number. And yeah, it's called something butterfly. Oh, patterned butterflies. So I will link everything that I got in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those links. Okay, and this is really cool. A2 card die. So this is another Scrapbook.com brand. And you can see the script of thanks across. So this would be exactly A2 size. So what I'm thinking with this, there's not a picture, is like a full front shaker card. So this will make like a frame. And then I can just put like acetate behind this and then just use all my cool little like sparkle blends and stuff that I have. So I'm excited about that. Or you could even just snip this out and get more bang for your buck if you don't want to do the frame. You could kind of just do the thanks and have that across the front of the card. So obviously you're going to want horizontal orientation or landscape orientation for this because, you know, the way it's designed, but still very cool. I like this a lot. I think there's a hello one or something too, maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, then, so excited about this. Okay, so I don't have, I've been seeing like Altenew, and I've just been seeing a lot more of this sort of like scripty font. These are actually bigger than I realized, which makes me really happy. So look at this, guys, coordinating dies. So this is Honeybee Stamps. This is the Miss You Big Time. So stamps and dies. You can see these huge, they're quite large. I'll measure this for you. So this is like from the top of the I to the bottom of the Y. You're talking about 2 3/4 inches. And then, yeah, over 3 inches this way. So this is a nice size sentiment. And you get all these little sub-sentiments too. So you could stamp these or put them on a little sentiment strip. But look, all the scripty bits, you can die cut them all out and they come quite close to where you stamp. So this is just kind of a different look. I've been seeing this kind of trending with a lot of companies lately. And I don't actually have something like this. So I may have die cuts that are a little bit more delicate, but there's something about this kind of loose scripty font and then these dies that cut it out pretty close to it. Not really something I have. So you can, I guess my only concern is because it's so thin, I'll probably end up using like my little foam strips here. This might be a good thing to help pop it up. Or the other option is to cut a bunch of layers of the die just in white and then have your stamped one on the top to give it dimension. So just something to think about there, but I'm really excited about this because this look has just been really growing on me, and I really like how big these are. I feel like they'll take up a nice chunk on a card front. I'm just looking at it here. Okay, so some of them are connected. Looks like some of the die cuts are connected, but not all of them maybe. Like this thank you, I think that would cut out 2 different words. Looking at this, and this one, what one would this be? Looks like best wishes appears to be connected, which is cool. You can see there's no little like loose tittle. So it would stamp right on there. So best wishes looks like it's connected. And what is this one? Happy birthday looks like it's connected, which is good. So I'm always thinking less fiddling, right? Like I like when they're all like compact and stuck together, and then I don't have to worry about like lining up the words. But looks like some of them are connected, some are not. So some of these may end up being like 2 separate die cuts, whereas other ones will be together. So that'll be fun to play with. Hopefully I'll get a video out there playing with that and show you how that works. Now, you guys are going to be really shocked at what's coming next. I know you're going to be shocked. Embossing folders. Yep, you're shocked. I can tell. Starburst. This is a new-ish one, I think. It's not super brand new, but look at that. Isn't that cool? All this detail. I don't know if you can really see that. So, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I've amassed quite a collection of these 3D embossing folders from Altenew. They are my favorite. So this one, like I said, is new-ish, not brand new, but obviously I didn't have it. So this is Starburst 3D. And then tulips. Now I'm in Michigan, not far from Holland, Michigan, like Holland, Netherlands, and tulips are kind of a big deal in my area, so it's only fitting that I have a tulip bouquet. So this is the tulip bouquet 3D. Altenew. Very cool. Look at this. Super fun. Okay, and these are all 6x6. They work amazing in your die cutting machines. This one, Botanical 3D embossing folder. So this one is really fun. It's got the little florals all over the place. Super fun. Okay. And then last but not least, this is the last thing on my order. This, I think, is a new one because I've never seen it before. And I don't even know how to pronounce this. Zelig? Zelig? I have no idea what this means. I'm assuming it's some sort of design word that I'm just not familiar with. So let me know if you can phonetically tell me how to pronounce this in the comments. That would be great. But this is super fun. Look at this. In fact, I think I need to demo this one for you because I need to see what this looks like. So, I have some cardstock here. This is 120 pound, accent opaque. Got some water to spritz it, which is an optional step, and this sheer shimmer spray. I'm going to make it shimmery, folks. I'm going to do it. Look at this. I don't know if you can see all that glittery goodness in the bottom. It's a fun way to zhuzh it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try and pull this behemoth on screen here for you. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so this is my very warped plate. I need to try a Jennifer McGuire trick here, but I'm just going to use the base and then one top plate and then this new embossing folder. So enjoy the plastic crinkling. Okay, I'm going to spritz this. And you know what? I might spritz it with this after the fact because I just don't want to get the glitter in the folder. It's not a huge deal. I can wipe it off, but I think I'm just going to wait on the glitter. Okay, so this is, I always spritz it with water. Get water all over my work surface. No big deal. Okay, just going to line this up. This is one probably going to want to do straight since it's, you know, straight lines. You don't want it all cattywampus. So I'm just going to line this up in here. That's straight. Okay. Run this through. Oh, I would turn this where I can't get to it. Okay, so we can do it this way. Ooh. All right, let's see how it did. Let's see the magic. Oh, that is fun. That's even cooler than I thought it was. Okay, so now I'll spritz it with glitter. Okay, you won't really see this, but you'll just know it's there. And if you saw it in real life and turned it in the light, then you would see all the glittery goodness. But wowza, that is really cool. I hope this is doing it justice here. But there's all these cool little details, even these little rings around, I don't know if you can see that, the little rings around the circles and the little inner squares. That is fun. Very cool. Anyway, so this name, which I can't pronounce, is the new one. So that's it. I will link everything below in the video description box. hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. New release coming out tomorrow for A Colorful Life Design, so be sure to hang tight for that. Lots of awesome stuff coming. And yeah, if you want to be notified anytime I post a new video, then hit the bell next to the subscription button. That will notify you anytime I post new videos or post in my community section and all that jazz. So thank you for spending time with me today. Have a great weekend and an awesome holiday if you're in the States. 4th of July is coming up, and I will check you next time. Bye.